Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Motorola Moto G9 Power and you need to do a hard reset on the phone and the screen is locked and you don't have the PIN code. We can actually bypass that screen lock and remove it completely. This will wipe everything else off the phone, but if you want to do that, we can go ahead and do it. It's quite easy. All you need to do is with the phone turned off, you're going to press and hold the power and volume down buttons until the phone powers on. And when it powers on, it's going to give you a menu that looks like this. And using the volume keys, you're going to toggle through the options until that start says recovery mode. It goes from saying start to saying recovery mode, at which point you'll hit the power button to select that recovery mode, and it will take you here. And using the volume buttons, you will toggle down to the wipe data factory reset and hit the power button to select it. Once you hit that, it will take you over to this confirmation screen, and you can toggle down to factory data reset. Hit the power button, and just keep in mind, once you hit the power button here, there's no going back. Everything will be wiped off your phone. And then finally, once that happens, you can click to reboot the system, and your phone will turn off and turn back on like it was when it came out of the box. And if you're still listening, just one more thing. If you are in the market for a credit card, Chase right now is giving away $200 for free just for signing up for a credit card. I've got a link in the description if you're interested.